Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle their entire lives? What if I told you the secret to transforming your financial reality is closer than you think, hidden not in your wallet, but in your mind? Today, I'm going to reveal the millionaire money secrets that could unlock the life you've been dreaming of, starting right now. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or like you're working hard but not seeing results, know this: you're not alone. The truth is, most people are held back not by their circumstances, but by their mindset. But here's the good news: your breakthrough is just one shift away. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to reprogram your mind for wealth and take the first step toward the success you've always wanted. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos like this one. And if any of what I'm sharing resonates with you, leave a comment below and tell me which of these millionaire secrets speaks to you the most. Don't forget to share this video with someone who's ready to unlock abundance. Let's get started. Do you know the first thing that sets millionaires apart from everyone else? Clarity. They don't hope for success. They define it with crystal clear precision. Think about it. How can you hit a target if you don't even know where it is? Millionaires don't stumble into wealth. They create a vision so detailed, it pulls them forward every single day. They know exactly how much money they want, how they'll earn it, and what kind of life they're building. The question is, do you? Most people have a vague idea of wanting more money or a better life, but that's not enough. You need to get specific. Take a moment and imagine your ideal financial future. What does it look like? Where do you live? What do your days feel like? Write it down, every detail. The amount of money you want in your account, the type of freedom you desire, and even the experiences you want to create. When you clarify your vision, you're giving your mind a map to follow. And here's a little secret: your brain loves clarity. Once it knows what you want, it starts finding ways to make it happen. So tonight, grab a notebook or even your phone and take 5 minutes to write your millionaire vision. Be bold and dream big, but make it real. The more specific you get, the more power you give your goals. Then, leave a comment below and tell me, what's one part of your vision that excites you the most? Let's inspire each other to aim higher. And if you're finding this helpful, hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Videos like this are here to guide you toward your breakthrough. Don't keep this to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to start dreaming bigger today. Here's a secret that millionaires live by: time is more valuable than money. You can always make more money, but you'll never get back wasted time. The difference between those who struggle and those who thrive is how they use their time. Most people trade their hours for dollars, working harder and longer, but millionaires know that's a losing game. Instead, they leverage their time. They find ways to multiply it, so they can create more value without constantly working themselves to exhaustion. Think about this. What are you spending your time on right now? Are you focused on tasks that truly bring you closer to your goals? Or are you stuck in routines that just keep you busy? Millionaires prioritize high-value activities, the ones that generate growth, income, and opportunity. They also understand the power of delegation. They don't try to do everything themselves because they know their time is too valuable to waste on tasks that someone else could handle. Here's how you can start leveraging your time today. Look at your to-do list or think about your daily routine. What's one thing you can delegate, automate, or eliminate entirely? Maybe it's outsourcing a task, like handling social media or hiring someone to do a repetitive chore. Or maybe it's as simple as using a scheduling app to organize your day more efficiently. The key is to free up your time so you can focus on what matters most: your goals, your vision, and your future. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one way you can start taking control of your time right now? Leave a comment below and let me know. And if this message is clicking with you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more strategies to build wealth and unlock abundance. Also, share this video with someone you know who needs to hear this today, because the moment we change how we use our time, everything else starts to fall into place. Here's a mindset shift that separates wealthy people from everyone else. They see problems as opportunities. Most people look at challenges and think, why is this happening to me? Millionaires ask, how can I solve this? It's not about avoiding problems. It's about realizing that every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise. Think about it. Some of the biggest companies in the world were created because someone decided to solve a problem. Uber started because people were tired of waiting for taxis. Airbnb began because someone needed a cheaper, more flexible place to stay. Wealthy people don't complain about what's wrong. They see a need and take action to fill it. What about you? What's a problem you've faced recently that might actually be a hidden opportunity? Maybe it's an inconvenience you deal with regularly or something you've noticed others struggling with. The secret is to shift your mindset. Instead of seeing problems as barriers, start seeing them as questions waiting for answers. And the truth is, if you can find a solution, chances are other people will pay for it too. Here's a simple exercise to get started. Write down one problem in your life right now, big or small. Then ask yourself, what's the solution? How could I turn this into something valuable for myself and others? Even if you don't have the full answer yet, just starting to think this way will open your mind to opportunities you may have overlooked. If this is hitting home for you, leave a comment and share one problem you'd love to turn into an opportunity. I'd love to hear what you're working on and how you're starting to shift your perspective. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're finding value in this video, and subscribe to the channel so you can keep learning strategies to think like a millionaire. And if you know someone who needs to stop seeing problems as setbacks, share this video with them. They'll thank you later. Here's a truth most people don't realize. Money loves a plan. If you don't give your money direction, it will disappear faster than you can earn it. Millionaires understand this. They don't just work hard to make money, they work smart to manage it. Every dollar they earn has a purpose, whether it's to invest, save, or spend strategically. Without a plan, money slips through your fingers, and you're left wondering where it all went. Think about your financial habits. Do you know exactly where your money goes every month? Do you have a clear strategy for saving or investing? Or are you just hoping there's something left over at the end of the month? Hope isn't a strategy. A plan is what turns your income into lasting wealth. Here's how you can create a simple plan that works. Start by writing down 3 things: how much you're earning, what you're spending, and what your goals are. Your first goal might be saving a specific amount each month. The next step could be setting aside money for investments that grow over time. Even if you start small, what matters is that you're intentional with your money. It's not about how much you make, it's about how you use it. Let me ask you this. If you had a plan in place, how much further could you be right now? Leave a comment below and tell me what your first step will be toward creating your financial plan. Don't wait. This one action could completely shift your relationship with money. And if you're finding this advice helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who's ready to take control of their finances. Remember, when you plan your money, you're not just managing it, you're multiplying it. Here's a truth you can't ignore. Wealth is a team sport. No one becomes successful alone. Millionaires surround themselves with people who inspire, challenge, and push them to grow. They build networks, seek mentorship, and collaborate with others who share their vision. Why? Because the right people can open doors, offer fresh perspectives, and keep you accountable. Think about it. Who's on your team right now? Are they lifting you up or holding you back? Your environment plays a huge role in your success, and if you're surrounded by negativity or people who don't believe in your dreams, it's time to make a change. Building a team doesn't mean you need to hire a staff right away. It starts with finding people who align with your goals. Maybe it's reaching out to a mentor you admire, joining a community of like-minded individuals, or simply spending more time with friends who encourage your growth. Success is contagious, but so is failure. You have to be intentional about who you let into your inner circle. Today, take one action to start building your team. Reach out to someone who inspires you, whether it's a successful entrepreneur, a friend who's already achieving their goals, or even someone you've been meaning to learn from but haven't contacted yet. Ask them questions, learn from their experiences, and see how you can add value to their life as well. Relationships are a two-way street, and the more you invest in others, the more they'll invest in you. Leave a comment below and let me know. Who's one person you'd like to connect with that could help you on your journey to success? And don't forget, if this advice is resonating with you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, success isn't a solo game. The stronger your team, the higher you'll climb. Let's grow together. Here's a mindset shift that can transform your journey to success. Millionaires focus on growth, not perfection. They know perfection is an illusion that holds people back. While most people are waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect idea, or the perfect circumstances, millionaires take action. They understand that progress is more important than getting everything right the first time. They embrace failure as part of the process and use it as a stepping stone to learn and improve. Think about the last time you delayed something important because you didn't feel ready. Did that perfect moment ever come? The truth is, perfection is just fear in disguise. Fear of making mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of not being good enough. But here's the thing. No one starts perfect. Every millionaire you admire started with small, imperfect actions and learned along the way. Growth happens when you step out of your comfort zone, even when it feels uncomfortable or uncertain. So today, I challenge you to take action on something you've been putting off. Maybe it's starting a side hustle, reaching out to a potential client, or even learning a new skill. Whatever it is, stop waiting for the perfect conditions and just begin. You don't need to have all the answers. Your growth will come from the process of doing. Now, leave a comment below and share one thing you're committing to take action on today, even if it's not perfect. I'd love to hear what step you're taking toward your goals. And if this message is speaking to you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who's stuck waiting for perfection. Remember, the key to success is simple. Keep growing, keep learning, and take action. No matter how small it feels. That's how you win. Here's a powerful truth most people overlook. Gratitude is the shortcut to abundance. It might sound simple, but the way you feel about your current life determines how much more you attract. Millionaires understand this. They focus on what they have, not what they lack. Why? Because when you focus on lack, you create more of it. But when you focus on what's already abundant in your life, even the small things, you open yourself up to receiving even more. Gratitude shifts your energy and rewires your mind to see opportunities instead of obstacles. Think about this. When was the last time you truly felt grateful for what you have? It's easy to get caught up in wanting more and chasing bigger goals. But when you stop to appreciate what's already in front of you, something amazing happens. You start to notice resources, connections, and possibilities you were blind to before. Gratitude isn't just about being positive. It's about training your mind to see that you're already abundant, and that abundance grows when you acknowledge it. Here's a simple action you can take today. Every night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. Maybe it's a conversation you had, a lesson you learned, or even just having food on the table. This small habit takes less than 5 minutes, but has the power to transform how you think and feel. The more grateful you are, the more aligned you become with the energy of abundance. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. I'd love to know, what's one thing you're grateful for right now? Leave a comment below and share it with me. If you're feeling inspired, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs a reminder that abundance starts with gratitude. Remember, the life you want is waiting for you. It's just a matter of seeing the abundance that's already around you. Let's practice gratitude together and unlock the wealth you deserve. Now that you've learned these powerful millionaire secrets, it's time to take action. Remember, success isn't reserved for a select few. It's available to anyone willing to change their mindset and take consistent steps forward. Clarity, leveraging your time, turning problems into opportunities, creating a plan, building a strong team, focusing on growth over perfection, and practicing gratitude. These aren't just ideas. They're the keys to unlocking abundance and transforming your life. But none of this will matter unless you take the first step today. So, I want to challenge you. Which of these secrets will you start applying right now? Leave a comment below and tell me your biggest takeaway from this video. Let's commit to action together. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video packed with strategies to help you unlock your potential. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button and share it with someone you know who's ready to change their life. The life you've always dreamed of is waiting for you. It starts with how you think and the actions you take today. You have everything you need to succeed within you. It's time to step into your power, unlock your abundance, and claim the life you deserve. Let's make it happen.